Some leaked concept renderings from a Cedar Fair contractor are pointing towards the Volcano the Blast coaster replacement for the 2025 season. This will be a launched B&M wing coaster like Thunderbird at Holiday World. These leaked concept images of a station are from a company called TRA Designs, who apparently do a lot of station work with Cedar Fair. So these were posted in a since deleted Reddit post, but they are archived on parkfans.net. Also, there has been some soil sampling and land surveying taking place in the former Volcano plot of land since June, which is the first step in the construction process. As far as I know, there are not any pictures because the location where this work is taking place is only visible from Reptilian, their mock rides bobsled coaster. Reptilian is, of course, right next to this plot of land. So there have been rumors of this attraction, there has been soil sampling and surveying, and now we have these alleged leaked concept renderings. Considering all these factors, I will say it looks promising for a 2025 edition for King's Dominion. In terms of the ride experience of this leaked attraction, it does look like there are 5 rows of air gates in the station, so that would obviously mean trains with only 5 rows, as opposed to the 8-row long trains we see on Gatekeeper at Cedar Point, for example. Thunderbird also operates with these 5-row trains, and that does mean they can incorporate some tighter maneuvers into the layout. We can also know there is a launch because of the station building. It is very similar to the building Thunderbird has, with the station building covering the beginning of the launch track. It also looks like the color of the track is a burnt orange, which is very close to the color of the track on Thunderbird. Just in my opinion, I think this hypothetical addition would make absolutely perfect sense. 2025 will be King's Dominion's 50th anniversary, and a launched wing coaster is about the closest thing to a launched invert. Plus, Busch Gardens Williamsburg, their main competitor, has nothing like this. So I think this is definitely something we will be paying close attention to, and we'll be sure to update you all on this. Please feel free to leave your thoughts in the comments down below, as we really do enjoy hearing your thoughts and seeing what you all have to say. As always, if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, and I hope to see you all next time.